Here's the final video of my van with stock size tires. Finally ordered bigger tires. And to stick to the budget theme of this channel, I went with budget tires. Ironman 285 75/16 7. My van finally has the tires to match the lift kit. So now when you see videos of my van uploaded, it'll look even cooler. So these tires are 3 inches taller and 2 inches wider. So now the front view looks even better. Not many fender flare options available for these vans. You got bushwhackers. This is just a carriage fender trim, and it just about lines up with this front tire. I got 2 projects done in the last couple of days. Finally got the bigger tires in and my outside storage box. So bigger tires and more storage. These are stock Steelies, no method wheels here. So sliding door, does it open with 285s on stock Steelies? Yes, it does. Just barely. So there you go. These are Patagonia ATRs. The proper load range ease. I wanted to make sure I had load range ease because of the size of this vehicle. I wanted to stay safe. Safety first, right? Especially since I have Brooke with me a lot. So even though it's a bigger tire, still have a nice wheel gap. I could still see a lot of the suspension. So the price out the door, $975 at Evan Tires in Chula Vista. Shout out to Evan Tire on Broadway, actually. So I priced out Duratrax at Discount Tire, and Duratrax, the same size, came out to around $1,500. So a little more than a $500 savings going with these instead of a Duratrax. I think KO2s are about the same. This is a budget channel, so I wanted to share that with you guys. If you're on a budget, just under $1,000 for 4 brand new proper load range E tires. So I like going to stores. I don't like calling. I like being personal, you know. I like talking to people face to face. So I went there yesterday at the tire shop. I ordered my tires on Friday, and I went there yesterday and I asked them if they had my tires. So they did, and there was no one there. And I asked them, could you guys install them today? And the guy I was talking to said, nah, sorry man, we can't. And I said, oh man, come on. My friends on YouTube are laughing at my tires. And you know, he started laughing. I said, nah, we got you, buddy. So we started talking. I didn't get his name, but he subscribed to my channel. I appreciate the support. But I was talking about you guys, man. I consider you guys like real life friends, man. And I've met a few of you in real life. So I showed the picture of my van with the small tires, hold fast and adventure ready. And I said, see these 2 guys right here? They're my buddies on YouTube. We have this van meet thing going, and they're laughing at my tires, man. And he said, sounds like they're bullying you, man. And I said, no, I kind of deserve it because I'm always telling people they need to lift their van, and here I am with little tires, you know. So we started chit-chatting about vans. So there you go. Yeah, man. I always, when I'm running errands, I always look back at my van. Now I'm looking back at it extra. It looks proper now. And I added, you know, I didn't feel like my van was long enough, so I added a storage box, you know. Legit take up two parking spaces. So there it is. Patagonia ATRs.